Hello and welcome to Channeling Luxury. I am here at the Montage Laguna Beach, one of the most beautiful resorts, I think, in the United States. And I am here for a Balmain fashion event, a charity event. So I'll take some good video and show you all what they have in store today. Welcome to the Montage Laguna Beach for the Balmain luncheon charity event. This is one of, I think, the best resorts in the United States. If you are interested in visiting the West Coast, certainly a beautiful place. Check out my other channel, Luxury Trip Girl, for more information on travel. And yeah, it's a quick view of the resort. And now we'll go see what Balmain has to offer and what we can do to help their great cause. So right away, glass of champagne. So toast to the event and welcome to the Balmain event. So I'll try on a few of the Balmain pieces that are for the charity, Harvest Food Charity. And so yeah, I'll give them a try and see what we have going. So first piece I will try on is this hoodie. It's a very traditional staple piece of Balmain. And this is a size medium for reference. I'm a 36 in top, 38 in skirt, and in Chanel for those of you who are comparing. So this is the tag if you're interested. So let's take a look at what this, obviously this doesn't look great with this dress, but it's as good as I can do, kind of impromptu here at this event. And so you can see what this hoodie looks like. This is actually the proper size. The sleeves are a little bit long. This is how the back looks. Doesn't look great with my dress. I'm so sorry to not be showing you an accurate depiction here, but kind of limited time to record here. So this is the structure of this, and it's cute and it's comfortable, but it is a little bit weighty, probably maybe too much so for California winter even, I would say. So, but it is super cute, and the comfort is fantastic. So definitely one to keep in mind. So this dress is a 38, and it does fit like it's supposed to. It is very snug, but it's like it's supposed to be. So we will I'll consider this one. I think it definitely brings the body shape into focus. You can see here, it definitely hugs your curves. It's a heavier fabric, but it's still comfortable. So that's, of course, a nice plus. Now, one thing I don't like about Balmain in general is these hefty shoulder pads. So you can do what I've done to many jackets and blouses and have them removed, maybe even put in a lighter shoulder pad. But in terms of how it hugs the body, you can see that the body shape is really nice. And you know, doesn't make the booty look too bad either. So there's another option. I will show you the tag, so in case you're interested in this piece, you can find it. Here is the tag for those of you looking for this dress. And like I said, it is a 38. So both of these are a 38 also. I feel overwhelmed in this jacket. I love the color, I think it's beautiful. I would like it in a cropped, maybe not so bulky. You can see I feel like I look like He-Man or something, I don't know. So that would be a no for me. This little skirt is very cute. Let me show you how it fits. I do have it pulled down because I don't want my skirt to be really, really short here in my 40s. But I think it looks good. You can see I'm even having to hold the jacket together, right? The skirt has a ton of stretch, so the 38 fits perfect, and has a great little snap in the front that it's hard to see at the moment. Great little snap at the front, and the skirt just fits absolutely phenomenally. So the skirt would be a winner. So much more classic Balmain. This is a 36. Again, the really padded shoulders that we see, but as you know, I'm a 38, and this, you know, this fits well, but the padded shoulders, it's hard to get past them for me. I think it's just something, it's very inherent to the brand. It's just something that doesn't sit well with my head, but I probably just need to get over it. So this is very cute. I think it looks nice. The skirt, they don't go together well, but I think it looks good overall. I think the skirt with maybe that little hoodie would have been a great choice. I'm gonna show you a couple of bags that are interesting, right? So let me show you this one first. This is a denim, and I am not familiar with Balmain's bag, so those of you who are gonna be able to clue me in a lot more. Now, this bag's very heavy. I'll just give you a heads up. It's also quite roomy. So for those of you who are used to seeing me carry around in my videos different bags like the 22 or the boy bag or the 19, which is my favorite bag, this one does have a crossbody strap, and this is the size of it. So your phone will fit in the back vertically, not horizontally, and there's plenty of room inside for any essential, for myself anyway, that I could possibly need. I haven't checked out the price, so maybe that's something I need to do at this moment. There's no other pockets or anything. There's just a really small zippered compartment inside. And then, let's see the price. I still don't see the price. So I'm gonna show you the tag, and maybe by the time the video is uploaded, I will have a price. So here's the tag in case you like this bag. Now there's another version of it that I guess there's only been a few made, and one was brought to this little pop-up for the event. It reminds me of a city bag by Balenciaga, right? So this one. So it says things like couture is alive, it says life sucks, it says offline, unfollow, log out, the real luxury. And I asked the gentleman who's working the event, and he said the idea behind this bag is that these are the comments that the creative director gets on social media. So it's kind of a negative bag on purpose. I actually find that kind of appealing, just in sort of a sexy, more streetwear kind of way, which is definitely more my vibe that I like to wear. I'm not a really big pink dress kind of person, as you know if you've been watching my channel. So, I would pair, for example, that blue jacket with some really jagged, torn up jeans, right? I wouldn't be wearing that with something that looks matchy. There's a lot of folks here with some beautiful outfits, and they've matched those jackets to the skirt. That will not be me. That will not be me in these videos. So I don't know the price on this bag. I will try to find out, and I will share that in my video description. So that's what I'm here to try on, and I hope that you found something interesting. If nothing else, maybe you were able to find a few pieces that maybe you want from Balmain. And of course, you can go to your nearest boutique. We don't have a boutique out here, which is one of the reasons they're doing this event, to try to find VIC clients that are in other brands that might be interested in actually doing private fittings. So that's one of the reasons that they're doing this. And the reason I came, honestly, was I just saw it as a charity event, and it is for the Harvest Food Bank. So so here's to everyone's purchase going to that charity. And thank you for watching. And if you found this useful, please hit that subscribe button.